Hey everyone, Mr. Harris here. I just want to make a quick video showing you guys how to remove the backgrounds from an image so they're transparent. And the reason you want to do that, especially when you're making your coasters, is that way you're able to layer pictures on top of each other. So you can actually create your own scene, I guess you could say, on your coaster. So I'm just going to show you that on Canva really quick. So I'm going to, this is the website we're going to be using. This is on the design platforms for coasters. It's the last page, and it just remove BG. So this is what I will be using. But first, I want to show you on Canva what it looks like. So I'm going to open up Canva. I'm going to create a new design, and I'm just going to use the logo, which is 500 by 500 pixels. The reason why I'm going to use that is just it's kind of like a nice square, kind of looks like the coasters that we're using. Then I have found a couple pictures here that I'm just going to use. So let's pretend that I wanted to use this Snoopy picture. So I'm going to save the image as, and actually with Canva, I'm just actually going to copy the image. You don't actually have to save it. I'm going to go back here and Control V. Right, there's my Snoopy picture, and I'm going to put it here. I'm going to make it a little bit larger. Let's say I want it to be about that big. And then I also want to get a Charlie Brown in there. Let's pretend, and for the purpose, I'll just use this one here. And again, I'm going to right-click, copy image, go back to my design, and Control V. And now, as you can see, when I have my two images, and I try to make Snoopy bigger, not Snoopy, Charlie Brown bigger, it ends up actually covering up Snoopy. And I can send it to the back, but now Snoopy's covering up Charlie Brown. So what we need to do is we need to use this website right here, remove BG. Okay, and I'm going to click on remove background. I'm going to upload an image, but this is where I actually need to go back over here. And this is where I'm going to actually have to save my image as. So we're going to put it on my desktop so I can get rid of it later. And it is a JPEG, so that is one that can be removed. And then I'm also going to save Charlie Brown, put him on my desktop as well. He is also a JPEG, so those files will actually work. I'm going to go back here, upload my image. That's on my desktop. Snoopy will do first, open. And then I'm just going to click download right here. And now it's as a PNG file. It should be under my downloads, but if you ever need to know where it's saved to, you go show on folder. And it is actually right here. So now I'm going to go back to Canva, my presentation, and I'm going to upload my media from my device. And that was on this PC. I should have actually. So when this happens and you go to show on folder, what I recommend doing is grab it and just drag it somewhere where you know where it will be. So I'm going to drag it to my desktop, go back over here, upload from my device, desktop, and then it should be, I think, this one here. And once it's uploaded, I can drag him on. It might be the wrong one. I might have to try the other one too. But I'm going to go back to my background remover, remove the background. I'm going to upload my other image, which is Charlie Brown here. And it's removed the background, so I'm going to download my image, show in folder, preview. So I did upload the wrong one to Canva. So I'm going to go back here, delete this guy, upload, and it's the one that says preview. So it's this one here, and it is this one here. And I can drag both of those out onto my, whoops. And now my backgrounds, as you can see, are removed. Okay. So if you have any questions of that, please feel free to email Mr. Singer or myself. Thanks.